Hello friends, welcome to Prytech. This is part 2 of Most Asked C# interview question series. In this session, we will learn can we use this command within a static method, how extension method works, what is the difference between const and read only, what are value types and reference types, what is method overloading, what happens when method signature is same and the return type is different, what is the difference between array and array list, what are the difference between string and string builder classes, what is the difference between finalize and dispose methods, what is the difference between is and as operators. Once you understand and memorize these questions, you are comfortable to attend any interview and apply this concept in your projects or application easily. Can we use this command within a static method? Yes, we can use this command in a static method. This static method is called extension method. We can use this method mainly to extend the functionality of an existing class. In extension method, new methods can be added to an existing class without editing the source code of a class by first defining those methods under a static class. The first parameter of an extension method must be the name of the class prefixed with this keyword to which the method has to be added. How extension method works? Extension methods always work within a static class. So first we define a static class, inside that we add a static method, and in this static method we have to pass this keyword with that class we have to extend. What is the difference between constant and read only? Read only keyword to create a read only field, constant keyword is used to create constant fields. Read only keyword create a constant at runtime, constant keyword create a constant at compile time. Read only keyword value can be changed after declaration. In constant keyword value cannot be changed after declaration. Read only variables are declared as instance variable and assigned value in constructor. Constant field are to be assigned at the time of declaration. What are value types and reference types? A value type holds a data value within its own memory space. Example, int a equal to 30. Reference type stores the address of the object where the value is being stored. Example, string str equal to welcome to Prytech. What is method overloading? Method overloading means multiple method with the same name with unique signature in the same class. When we compile, the compiler detect and specify the method to be invoked. Method overloading can be achieved by three ways: by changing number of parameters in a method, by changing the order of parameter in a method, by using different data types for parameters. What happens when method signature is same and the return type is different? The compiler will give error as the return value alone is not sufficient for the compiler to figure out which function it has to call. If both methods have different parameter type, then method overloading is possible. What is the difference between array and array list? Array, this has fixed size. Array list, size can be increased or decreased dynamically. In array, it belongs to system.array namespace. Array list belongs to system.collection namespace. We can store only one data type, either int, string, character in array. We can store different data types variable in array list. Arrays are strongly typed, array lists are not strongly typed. Array cannot accept null, array list can accept null. What are the difference between string and string builder classes? String is immutable. When we modify the value of a string variable, then a new memory is allocated to the new value and the previous memory allocation released. String builder is mutable, where variety of operations can be performed without allocation separate memory location for the modified string. What is the difference between finalize and dispose methods? Dispose is called when we want for an object to release any unmanaged resource with them. Finalize is used for the same purpose, but it releases managed resource by garbage collector automatically. What is the difference between is and as operators? Is operator is used to check the compatibility of an object with a given type and it returns the result as boolean always. As is a keyword used for conversion from one type to another. The type can be reference or nullable. As keyword checks the compatibility of one object type with another object type. In case of compatible, it will return the value of a new object type, otherwise null will be returned. If the conversion from one type to another type fails, then it will return a null value without any exception. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please feel free to comment if you have any query.